Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. So, Camtasia Studio 2022 is out with new features and improved video editing performance. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit videos with Camtasia Studio 2022. This video will be part 1 of video editing with Camtasia Studio. Stay tuned. Hi. This is Cheption Mutai, freelance and business. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. If you're here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. Now, let's get started with editing videos with Camtasia Studio 2022. Before I start, I feel it's important to share with you some of the new features that I'm going to be exploring with you in the new Camtasia Studio 2022 video editor. Number 1 is Camtasia welcome screen is new. Here, you can access new projects, templates, learning resources, and more. The second one is automatic cursor replacement. Camtasia Studio automatically replaces the cursor in your recordings. The third one is cursor path editing. It's now possible to edit, delete, or add cursor paths to Camtasia recording or images as you desire. The fourth one is visual effect. Fifth one is visually appealing transitions. Sixth is simplified export window. With this said, let's now get right into editing videos with Camtasia Studio 2022. In order to start editing videos with Camtasia Studio, you need to start a new project. When you open Camtasia Studio 2022, you will see this welcome window or welcome screen here. There are many ways that you can start a new project with Camtasia Studio 2022. You can start with a template, which you can use one of the templates that you can see here. New from template. You can open an existing project, but assuming that you don't have any project, we will have to start a new project. So for this case, we will click on new project. So this is the screen that opens up with Camtasia Studio when you open a new project. After opening a new project, you need to save your project in a specific folder that you can refer to easily. So to save your new project, go to File and click on Save As. Then enter the file name, the name that you will save the project in. For this case, we will save it as how to edit videos with Camtasia Studio 2022. Then click on Save. So your project is saved. You can see this pop-up window to show that the project is saved. Click OK, and we are now set to start editing videos with Camtasia Studio. To import media on Camtasia 2022, go to Import Media, then select the media that you want to import, which is a video, from the folder, then click on Open. It will take a few minutes for your media to be imported to Camtasia Video Studio. So a few things you must understand as a video editor. You have to know 3 areas. There is media pin. This is where all the media that you import to the Camtasia editor will be placed. So once you're done importing the video, you need to add it to the timeline. This is the timeline here, and this is the preview window. I'll left click, hold, and drag it to the timeline. And this is the video that we'll be editing for this tutorial. So now I'm done importing the video to the timeline. Project setting is important when editing videos on Camtasia Studio 2022. This is what determines the overall video editing quality. There is HD 1080p, 4K, 6K, mobile formats, and more. Before you start editing your videos, make sure that your project canvas setting is in the right dimensions. By default, Camtasia 2022 is set to HD 1080p. To change your video canvas setting, hover your mouse to the icons on top of the preview window. On the icon with the drop-down menu, click on it and scroll down and select Project Setting. A screen will pop up with the project settings. Under Canvas Dimensions, select the one that you want, for example 1080p HD. Here also, you can change your project frame rate. Once done, click on Apply. And that is it from me here. Remember, you can get a copy of the latest version of Camtasia Studio 2022 using the link below this video here in the description area. Camtasia Studio 2022 is free to try for 30 days. Having personally used Camtasia Studio for 5 years now, I recommend for its simplicity and quality screencast. Also, maintenance of the software is worth every penny. With that said, I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. And until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptioni Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptioni. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.